This is NOKIA T21, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can add event to calendar on this device. So, first of all, launch the Google Calendar app. If you do not have it pre-installed, just download it for free from the Google Play Store. Sign into your Google account if you haven't already, and once you're ready to create the said event, just choose the date that you would like for this event to occur. Then to your bottom right, tap on this plus sign, choose event option. And in here we can set the event title, choose whether this event will occur the entire day or it will have some set time frames, change the time zone, make it repetitive or not repetitive respectively, make it so that it can be repeated daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly. Invite some other people to this event, add the video conferencing link to it if this event is tied to some conference call. Add the location that this event will occur at, choose where you would like to receive receive the reminder about this event, or to put it in other words, when do you like for the system to remind you about it. Set perhaps some color for this event to stand out, add description, some attachments perhaps, and once you are all done, just save. And if I'll return to the monthly view, you'll see that my event was successfully added to calendar and can be accessed from here. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.